Good morning and greetings to the judges, lecturers, and fellow participants. We are honored to present our innovation project entitled SV Kit, which stands for Supervisor Kit. SV Kit is a mobile application specially designed to assist supervisors and research students in managing student projects more efficiently. This innovation focuses on improving communication, accessibility of information, and supervision effectiveness between lecturers and students. Through SV Kit, we aim to simplify the research guidance process and create a more organized learning environment. Allow us to introduce the team behind this innovation. My name is Rosamiza Meir-Razak, and together with Nureddini Binti-Abdullah, we developed this project with the aim of solving challenges faced during supervision and research management. Our collaboration combines educational understanding, innovation, and practical solutions to improve the learning experience for both lecturers and students. The task of supervising student projects is one of the main responsibilities of polytechnic lecturers. Effective supervision is very important because it helps students continue to excel in research, complete their projects successfully, and improve their academic performance. However, lecturers often face time constraints because they are also involved in teaching, administration, and other academic responsibilities. In addition, students usually need to refer to several report formats and implementation guidebooks before completing their projects. Although some materials are uploaded through online platforms, such as Microsoft Teams, many students still face difficulties because there are too many folders and resources to search through. As a result, students become confused, waste time searching for information, and may misunderstand the requirements. The objectives of SV Kit are divided into two main goals. The first objective is to create an application that can be accessed by lecturers appointed as supervisors and students involved in research courses for better engagement in learning. The second objective is to facilitate the implementation of teaching and learning in the field of research by simplifying the process of searching for report formats, terminology, and written reports. Through these objectives, SV Kit aims to improve accessibility, reduce confusion, and support more effective supervision. To develop this innovation, we applied the design thinking approach. The first stage is empathize, where we identified problems faced by lecturers and students through observation and discussion. The second stage is define, where we analyzed the main issues related to supervision and information accessibility. Next is ideate, where we generated ideas and discussed possible solutions for the identified problems. Then, we moved to the prototype stage by developing the initial version of the SV Kit application. Finally, we conducted testing to collect feedback from users and improve the application. This approach ensures that our innovation is user-centered and practical for real educational use. To explain each process in design thinking in this project, I leave it to Dr. Nureddini.
In the empathize stage, we focused on understanding the real challenges experienced by lecturers and students. From our observations, interview section, and discussions, we found that students often struggle to locate report formats, guidelines, and important research terminology. At the same time, lecturers need to answer repetitive questions from different students, which increases their workload. These challenges inspired us to develop a smoother learning tool that is simple, user-friendly, and capable of supporting a more systematic supervision process. During the define stage, we analyzed information collected from users. The interview session was conducted with Mrs. Aniza. Mrs. Aniza discovered that students face difficulties in searching for report formats and understanding research terms. Students also needed a platform that allows them to access information quickly without searching through multiple folders and systems. As a lecturer, Mrs. Aniza needed a method as a general idea to enable her to guide students efficiently. Therefore, we defined the core problem as the lack of a centralized and accessible platform for research supervision resources. This problem statement became the foundation for developing SV Kit. In the ideation stage, we brainstormed solutions that could address the identified problems. We proposed creating a mobile application that combines research guidelines, report templates, terminology references, and communication support in one platform. The idea behind SV-Kit is to provide a one-stop center where users can easily search and access the information they need. By integrating these features into a mobile application, students and lecturers can save time and improve efficiency during the supervision process. This slide shows the prototype of the SV-Kit application. The application was designed with a clean and user-friendly interface to ensure easy navigation. Users can access research information, report formats, project guidelines, and other supporting materials through a single platform. The mobile-based design also allows users to access the application anytime and anywhere, making the supervision process more flexible and convenient. After developing the prototype, we conducted testing sessions with potential users. The testing process helped us identify areas for improvement, including interface enhancement and content organization. The testing results showed positive responses from users. Overall, the testing phase validated the usefulness and practicality of our innovation. Next, we see the product launching video.
Now we look how SV-Kit function. First, you have to download the SV-Kit application. From the home page, you can see the information about introduction of SV-Kit. And then you can go to the menu. The first menu is about research report format. That include chapter 1 until chapter 5, reference and appendix. If you want to know about content on chapter 1, then click at the menu chapter 1. So you can see what you should write in the chapter 1 and the explanation for each content. For example, what is objective of the study? The special about this SV-Kits that you can find the terms that are always used in research. You can go to the second menu, that's glossary. From this, you can find the term about research. Let's say you want to know about research background, and then you can click here, and then you can read what is background of research. All the terms in the research from chapter 1 until chapter 2 until chapter 5 include in this application. Hope this application benefit to all the supervisor and student who take a research course.
SV-Kit provides several important impacts. First, it helps save time because students can access information quickly through one platform. Second, it provides easier reference access for research-related materials. Third, it helps lecturers and supervisors recall specific terms and guidelines more efficiently. Overall, SV-Kit contributes to improving the effectiveness and quality of research supervision. Although SV-Kit has achieved its objectives, there are still opportunities for future improvement. For example, the application can be continuously updated according to changes in report formats and research terminology. In the future, we also hope to expand the application so that it can be used by all researchers and become a complete one-stop research center. Additional features such as AI support. In conclusion, SV-Kit is an innovation developed to improve the supervision and research management process for both lecturers and students. By providing a centralized, accessible, and user-friendly platform, this application helps save time, improve organization, and enhance learning effectiveness. We hope that SV-Kit can contribute positively to digital education and research management in higher education institutions. Thank you very much for your attention. We truly appreciate the opportunity to present our innovation today.